Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll have a look at ORTX Ltd, ORTX. ORTX is actually showing in general several weeks downtrend, but kind of reaching the area of possible reversal, and this makes it very interesting stock to watch with some promising buying opportunities. So to understand where those opportunities are, let's first have a look at general trends of the stock. So after having at the beginning of May, actually end of April, some general neglection at the level of moving average 200, which was confirmed a couple of times, and almost entering the overbought zone. Stock is now having a constant, continuous trend down at RSI, moving it strongly to oversold area here, and this makes it very interesting because it develops slowly some upwards pressure. Also, if you look at moving average divergent convergence, that's also interesting pattern here, because after having just general neglection downwards during these weeks and then reaching the minimum and trying to return, actually here the magic cross down happened, which the situation when moving average 20 cuts from the top moving average 50, and this dragged the price further down after some hesitance of the buyers and sellers here. Then you can see what interesting happens here at MACD. Instead of crossing up, the divergence convergence index went and again for another negative way, and seems like it formed another minimum, but then here looks like another formation goes, so looks like another wave is going to form here. This means that it could be interesting buy opportunity for next week. Tomorrow both situations are possible, so it can be slight reversal based on optimistic expectation, because we're already too low from all moving averages, and here is some general downtrend behavior as well, so people might expect that it will actually make this bouncing on it. But overall, it's more expected that the trend actually will go down, and then it can open some nice buying opportunities. So if this happens, the first interesting buy opportunity will be actually at the level of this level, and then if it goes down further, then another one will be then at this level. It would be another interesting buy box. So this will be the box number 1, and this everything will be the box number 2. So this will be like a buy, and this will be a stronger buy. Then the reversal can be expected actually, and price should go almost to the level of moving average 20, which that time will probably start bending as well upwards, or at least it should go at least the first serious resistance, which will be here, that level, and it will be actually very close to moving average 20 by that time. So this means that actually it might be very strong double resistance here, and then it's advised actually to sell, because the safest trade. Also another positive thing is actually, as I mentioned before, distances between moving averages and the current price are increasing, which is positive situation. And overall, the fact that moving average 200, although it's slightly bending down, but it's more or less like a flattish behavior, also good. And the distance between it and the current price is also quite significant, so it's about 80%, I think, in percentage. So this creates some positive pressure up being developed as well. So that was about ORTX. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.